الحمد لله وكفى وسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى أما بعد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لئن شكرتم لأزيدنكم صدق الله العظيم. Dear guests, respected teachers and my classmates, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the Independence Day of Pakistan, the 14th August 1947, the Pakistan has been independent in the result of all Qari Muhammad rahmatullah alayhi of Pakistan and the sacrifices of an ancestral and their head-back joint effort. It was the 14th of August when the Muslims of the subcontinent were able to get a land of their own. They could live life according to Islam. 14 August 1947, Pakistan gained independence after remarkable effort made by Mr. Muhammad rahmatullah alayhi, who was a man of great and caliber and had the belief that Muslims could only live happily when they would rule a country, led by their own people and country that would by according to the Islam. The Muslims of subcontinent gave many sacrifices for several years as they were not allowed to practice their own religion with freedom as they were the minority. However, the efforts made by people like Muhammad rahmatullah alayhi and Allama Iqbal rahmatullah alayhi made sure that their sacrifices did not go in vain and they were able to provide the Muslim independent homeland. Independence Day for any country is like a celebration and the